Hello everyone, welcome back to Tale River. Today's story is very special to me because it reminds us that even the smallest act of kindness can change a life, sometimes two lives at the same time. This is not just a story. It's a reminder of who we can be when we choose kindness. Let's begin. On a cold winter morning in a quiet American town, an old man named Henry sat alone on a park bench. His coat was thin, his hands were shaking, and his eyes looked tired not just from the cold, but from life. People walked past him every day. Some were in a hurry. Some avoided eye contact. Some pretended not to notice him at all. Henry had once lived a very different life. He had a small home, a job, and a family. But after losing his wife and then his job, life slowly fell apart. Bills piled up. Friends disappeared. And eventually, so did his home. That morning, Henry had not eaten since the day before. Across the street, a young woman named Emily was walking to work. She was already late and stressed. But when she saw Henry sitting there, something inside her told her to stop. She hesitated. She didn't have much money. She didn't know what to say. She didn't know if it would even matter. But she walked into a small cafe nearby and bought a cup of coffee and a warm sandwich. When she handed it to Henry, she smiled and said, "Good morning. I hope this helps." Henry looked at her in disbelief. His eyes filled with tears. He didn't cry because of the food. He cried because someone had finally seen him. He quietly said, "Thank you for treating me like a human being." Emily sat with him for a few minutes, even though she was late. They talked. They laughed a little. And when she left, Henry felt something he hadn't felt in a long time: hope. When I first heard this story, it really touched my heart. Not because of how big the action was, but because of how simple it was. Emily didn't change the world that day. She didn't solve all of Henry's problems. But she reminded him that he mattered. In today's world, we are always busy. We scroll, we rush, we ignore. Sometimes we forget that kindness doesn't require money or time, it only requires awareness. A week later, Emily passed by the same park again. Henry wasn't there. She felt a little worried. But a few days later, she saw him again, standing, smiling, and looking cleaner. Henry told her that after that day, he had gone to a local shelter. The kindness he received gave him the courage to ask for help. Months later, Henry found part-time work. He slowly rebuilt his life. All because one person decided to stop. The lesson of this story is simple. Kindness doesn't need to be big to be powerful. A smile. A conversation. A small gesture. You never know what someone else is carrying inside their heart. If this story made you feel something, please like and share this video. Subscribe to Tale River for more original stories told in my own voice, with real lessons for real life. Thank you for listening. And remember, your kindness might be someone's turning point.